Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to do unboxing, and this is the product that we're going to unbox right now from lazada.com because I took advantage of their discount last night. Ito, nakahabol siya. Sa wakas, dumating siya. Super excited ako. Napakabilis dumating. I ordered this the other day and then dumating kanina. I'm so excited. Kasi kagagaling ko lang sa labas. Galing po akong Mandaluyong. And wala pong public transportation. Napakahirap sobra. At ang mahal ng Grab, 600 pesos going there because I fixed a lot of things. Nagsabit ako ng check and nanghingi ng statement of account ng condos ko. Ayun po. At pagdating ko dito, sobrang happy ako kasi sa wakas na-receive ko na yung package ko from Lazada, and the product is Organic Skin Japan. Okay, without further ado, let's start unboxing this product. Ayan siya. So, sirain natin. Sirain natin yung plastic. Ang sabi dito, this is Organic Skin Japan Anti-Aging Whitening 4-Step Skincare Set with Soap, Serum, Face Cream, Lotion with SPF 30. Korean Japan Skincare Set for... Alright, ang sabi dito, this is Organic Skin Anti-Aging plus Whitening 4-Step Skincare Set with Soap, Serum, Face Cream, and Lotion that has SPF 30. Korean Japan Skincare Set for men and women. Oh my god, pwede ba lang siya sa men? So the color is color pink. Let's see what's in the box. Ito siya. This is the box. So nice. At meron siyang hiragana alphabet. Ayan po, organic skin. Let's open the box. Oh my gosh, parang siya binubuksan. Hoy, open na natin. Kayo muna, ang tumingin. Ayan po siya. Ano itsura niya, guys? Ay, nakabalot pa pala ng bubble wrap. Oh, so cute. This is the Anti-Aging Whitening Lotion. Yan, diba dapat meron na tayong mga anti-aging kasi malapit na tayo mag-40. Dati, concern ko lang is whitening. Kailangan may anti-aging na tayo, guys. Ayan. And ito, the serum. And then I have the sunscreen, SPF 30. And then the bar soap. Ito yung bar soap niya. Ang cute. Plastic. So girly, pero nakalagay for men and women. At ito ay nagkakahalaga. Actually, nakasale siya. Naka 40% off yata. Ito kaya ako binili kasi itong isang set na to, it's like 900 plus. Kulang-kulang 1,000. So, nabili ko lang ng 500. Ano siya? Kasama na siya shipping fee. Ship through Lazada. Ayun. So, guys, ito yung soap. Let's review. Tingnan natin yung soap. Anti-Aging Whitening Bar Soap. Hindi ba siya nakikita, guys? Anuhan natin yung ating lighting. Natin kung makikita nyo, guys. Ayan siya. Yan. This is the bar soap. Hindi nababasa. Sige, ako na magbabasa sa inyo. Sabi dito, all-natural anti-aging bar soap that is specially formulated in Japan using imported youth regenerating properties of marine collagen, snail extract, elastin, placenta, kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, and alpha-arbutin that effectively whiten, moisturize, and rejuvenate the skin while treating acne and reducing the appearance of age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles without any pain, stinging, or irritation, leaving skin noticeably revitalized, clean, clear, fair, soft, smooth, with a younger, white, glowing skin. Ayun ang kanyang kiniklaim. Expertly formulated product of Japan, clinically proven and dermatologist tested for external use only. For best result, use with water and lather soap in hands. Leave it for 2 minutes before rinsing. Use twice daily. Result may be seen in 2 to 3 weeks lang daw, guys. May vary depending on skin type. Ayan ha, depende daw sa skin type. Huwag umasa, baka mabigo. Ito siya. Yung tsura niya, guys. So, manufacturing date was, bago siyang gawa. July 2020. Expiration is 2022. For 2 years. Mukhang malambot yung soap. Kaya malalaman mong ano siya, mild. Kasi malambot eh. Wala siyang ingredients na pampatigas ng soap. Kasi medyo harmful yun yung chemicals na pampatigas ng soap to make it bar soap. Ito malambot. So, alam mong effect, safe. Safe and mild siya. Ano kaya amoy na ito? Let's smell. Smells good. Bango niya, guys. Hindi ko maano yung amoy niya eh. May pagka-fruity. Fruity yung hindi siya strawberry eh. Super mild. And then, anti-aging face cream. No harmful chemical to, kaya nga. It's organic. Organic chicken. So, naman try ko kaagad para ma-review natin, diba? Ito yung face cream niya, guys. It's 30 grams. Ang bango niya, guys. Ang imported. Ang Japan siya, guys. Hindi mo gusto kong product made in Japan. Ang bango ng sunscreen. And then, the lotion. Ito yung lotion. All-natural anti-aging lotion specially formulated in Japan using imported youth-regenerating properties of marine collagen, snail extract, elastin placenta, kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide that effectively whiten, deeply moisturize, and provide elasticity while rejuvenating the skin without pain, stinging, or irritation. Oh. And this is their anti-aging serum in 20 ml tube. Let's see. The serum. Ito guys. Smell natin. Mabango. Smells good. Hindi tsaka yung amoy. Kaya lang may fragrance talaga siya. Gusto ko sana yung as much as possible, odorless siya. Or super mild lang. Ito. Hindi naman siya matapang. Tama lang yung amoy niya. And then, this is the lotion. After body lotion. Same smell. Siya guys. Bango. Bango niya guys. And then, ito ang face cream. It's sunscreen. Parang puro lotion siya actually. Walang toner. Dapat siguro order ako ng toner separately. Yan, puro lotion siya. Pero okay lang kasi marami akong toner. Magkakaamoy siya guys. Ano ba yan? Baka naman pare-pareho lang ito. Pinagluloko ako nito. Smells good. Try natin tong bar soap. And babalik po ako. I'll be back. See ya! Manufacture date, July 2020. So, bagong-bagong gawa pa ito. Pagagawa lang yung action. Parang alam mo. So, gagawin ko, hatiin ko to. Hatiin natin siya. Meron ako dito, scissor. Hatiin ko. Para hindi siya masayang. Kuha lang ako ng, siguro mga 1/4. Oh, lambot niya guys. Oh, sobrang lambot. Ayan, parang hindi masayang. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Maghilamas ako. Oh, basa pa siya guys. Parang na-excite silang i-sale. Or ilabas sa market. Para matry siguro. Let's see. Actually, wala pang gumagawa ng review nito eh. Kaya uunahan ko sila. I'll make a review. Alright, so see you later. Oh, ayun nga guys. Try ko na siya. Okay naman siya sa face. Alam mo yung ibang, sa wakas, ibang bar soap naman yung nagamit mo. Kasi sobrang ibang-iba siya sa mga regular na ginagamit nating soap na yung mga orange soap na whitening, like ng papaya, di ba? Meron siyang meron siyang similarities, like the smell, tsaka yung ingredients niya, alam mo na ganun yung amoy. Unlike this one, may naiba naman siya. Iba yung amoy niya, iba yung texture, hindi siya ganun. Sobrang lambot kasi niya. Alam mo, organic siya. Ayun, guys. Ayun, soap sa face. Parang katulad ng mga ibang soap. Pero hindi siya mahapdi. Walang tingling sensation na mararamdaman. And then, ayun. So, let's try after nating mag-wash ng face, let's try this serum tayo. Kasi this one has SPF sunscreen siya, hindi mo na ako lalabas. So, ito, mag-serum tayo. The anti-aging and whitening serum. Let's apply sa face. Bango niyo ah. Alam na alam mo hindi siya locally made. Kasi nga yung amoy niya iba. Amoy imported. Na-absorb siya kaagad. Easily absorbed. Tsaka hindi siya as you can see, it's not oily sa skin. Hindi siya oily sa skin, guys. So, this is good for Asian skin. Kasi diba, ayon natin yung sobrang oily, nagmamantika ka, tapos sa labas tayo. Mainit, maaraw, kaya haggard agad. Ito, yan, it easily absorbed by our skin. Alright, so ang masasabi ko lang dito sa soap, very recommended kasi mararamdaman mo talagang it's organic kasi nga super lambot niya. That means it has no harmful chemicals that makes it hard. Yung chemical na pampatigas ng soap, wala siyang ganun. And sobrang mild ng scent and okay siya. Definitely recommended to. Hindi siya masyadong mabula, hindi din siya walang bula. Saktong-sakto siya. Maganda yung pagkaka-formulate. And then, for the serum, no sticky feeling as you can see. Naglagay ako. Very recommended din for Asian skin, especially if you have oily or oily to combination skin. I recommend this product. Yan, hindi siya mamantika and it's not oily. Kahit siguro hindi ka na mag-BB cream or mag-powder. After mo ng serum, mag-sunscreen ka and then so, this is the sunscreen. Patungan natin ng sunscreen. Let's see if mag-oily siya. Sunscreen to ah. And guys, oh. Wala siyang hapde. Ang hapde. No tingling sensation, guys. Wala siyang hapde, promise. Alam na alam mong mild. Yung scent niya, very mild din. Oh, ayan siya guys. Hindi siya oily. Oh, it easily absorb. The product easily absorbed by the skin. Alam ko ito yung gustong-gusto natin. Yan, kaya madali siyang dalhin sa liig. Guys, oh, ayan. Diba, it's not oily. So, maglalagay ka na lang siguro ng lipstick, blush on ka, mag-eyebrows. And then, that's it. It's good. Very recommended. Thank you so much, Organic Skin Japan. This one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you again in my next vlog. Bye!